Good morning to all. In previous lecture, we had studied the AC characteristics, what is the AC signal, its graphical representation, its characteristics such as what is the amplitude, phase, frequency and time period, what is the cycle. In this lecture, we are going to study the what is the integrated circuit. That is the topic of integrated circuit. The content in this lecture: what is the discrete circuit, what is the integrated circuit, classification of IC, differentiate between analog and integrated circuit with the digital integrated circuit. Then last is assignment number, that is the assignment on unit number 4, electronic components and signal. Then first, what is the discrete circuit? The components are connected using conducting wires, breadboard or a printed circuit board PCB as shown in figure. These components can be resistor, diode, transistors and inductor. That is, discrete circuit are manufactured by using the various type of active components and passive components. The which are active components? Various type of diode, various type of transistor, integrated circuit. Which are the passive component? Resistor, capacitor and inductor. What is the advantages of discrete circuit? It handle high power input and it produce the high power output. It achieves the low temperature coefficient. It can change the parameter of circuit, that is the if trimmer is used, variable potentiometer is used, the value of resistor can be changed, that is it can change the parameter of circuit. What is the disadvantages of discrete circuit? Its assembly and wiring is very complex because the large size of active component and passive component. Its designing the circuitry is also very complex. Then replacement of failed components. It's impossible in integrated circuit. For example, the transistor is failed and replaced by another transistor. The parameter of each transistor are different. So replacement of failed component. It is the less reliable because its size is large. Figure show the discrete circuit. Then what is the integrated circuit? The integrated circuit or IC is a very small electronic circuit and components like capacitor, resistor, transistor and diode, which are connected to each other on a single small chip of semiconductor material such as silicon into a surface of semiconductor wafer such as silicon. That is, IC is very small. It consists the number of active components and passive components with their interconnection are fabricated on a single silicon semiconductor, that is single silicon semiconductor chip. IC consists the single chip and this single chip consists the interconnection of active components and passive components. A single IC can be represented up to the thousands of elements brought together into a single chip. The figure show the packages type of an IC. DIP packages, PQFP packages. Then what is the advantages of IC? It has small in size. It is more reliable, that is high reliability. It has low cost. It has low power consumption, that is power required for operation is small. It is easy to replace. It increases the operating speed. What is the disadvantages of integrated circuit? It is impossible to modify the parameters. That is, the value of components cannot be changed after the manufacturing. It cannot be repaired. cannot be integrated with high capacitance value higher than 30 picofarad and resistance value higher than 100 kilo ohm. It is not possible to fabricate inductor and transformer on the semiconductor chip surface. It is possible in discrete circuit. Then classification of IC integrated circuit. Classification of IC. First, classification based on active devices, classification based on application, classification based on technology. Classification based on active devices further as classified bipolar IC and unipolar IC. The classification based on application further classified as linear or analog IC. The example of linear IC are op-amp comparator. The digital IC or non-linear IC, example of digital or non-linear IC are logic gates, counter and flip-flop. The classification based on technology further classified as hybrid technology and monolithic technology. The monolithic technology further classified as bipolar and unipolar. The unipolar is also further classified as JFET and MOSFET, junction field effect transistor and metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, that is MOSFET. In classification of the IC, there is two main types of IC. The linear IC or analog IC, digital or non-linear IC. First, what is the analog IC? In this type of IC, the input and output both signal are continuous. That is, the example of analog IC is the AC signal. In analog IC, output is proportional to the input. Input is AC, output is also AC signal. Analog IC, it is required large biasing supply voltage for what is the biasing supply, that is the applying the external supply voltage for the working for the operation, that is fan required for its operation external AC supply voltage. Analog ICs operate on analog signal. The example of analog signals are linear IC or linear IC. It is used as an audio frequency amplifier. It is used as an radio frequency amplifier. Another example of analog IC are op-amp, IC741, voltage regulator, comparators, timer, 555 is the example of analog IC. The analog IC, it is used in communication system, CRO. CRO means cathode ray oscilloscope. It is the electronic instrument. It is used to measure the voltage and time period. What is the digital IC? Example of digital ICs are the logic gates such as AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, flip-flop, counters, microprocessor. The digital IC, in digital IC output is not proportional to the input. That is, output is not proportional to the input, that is, digital information are available in the binary form and binary number are only 0 or 1. It requires less biasing supply voltage such as 5 volt or 12 volt. Digital IC operate with binary data such as either 0 or 1. Normally in digital circuit, 0 indicate 0 volt and 1 indicate plus 5 volt. The digital IC, it is used in computer, calculator, clock, so on. Then first, what is the analog signal? The electrical signal whose amplitude varies continuously over a specified duration of time is known as the analog signal. That is the AC signal, AC voltage. The example of AC signal are temperature, sound, voltage, current, pressure. and representation of analog signal as shown in figure. Analog signal, that is, it's continuously varying with its amplitude or its value of voltage or current continuously varied with respect to time. The digital signal, it is the signal which has only a finite number of distinct values, that is 0 or 1. That is, digital signal is available in the form of only binary number 0 or 1. Example of digital signal are square wave. That is the analog signal and digital. Main important question is define analog signal and digital signal. In more important question, differentiate between analog integrated circuit and digital integrated circuit. In analog IC, in this type of IC, the input and output both signals are continuous. In digital IC, these IC operate with the binary data such as either 0 or 1. Normally, in digital circuit, 0 indicate 0 volt and 1 indicate plus 5 volt. Analog IC, the output signal is proportional to the input. Digital IC, the output signal is proportional to the output signal is not proportional to the input. That is, the output is only available in the form of 0 or 1. Analog IC, it is required large biasing supply voltage. Digital IC required less biasing supply voltage such as 5 volt or 12 volt. Analog IC example are most commonly used as a audio frequency amplifier and radio frequency amplifier, op-amp, IC741, voltage regulator, comparator, timer, IC555. The example of digital IC are the logic gates such as AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, flip-flop, counters and microprocessor. The analog IC, in analog IC application, it is used in communication system CRO. Analog IC, it is the linear IC, and digital IC application, it is used in computer, calculator, clock, and digital IC, it is the non-linear IC. The unit number 4, electronic components and signal. In this unit, we had studied what is the electronics component, types of electronics components such as passive components and active components. Example of passive components and active components. Difference between active components and passive components. Then, what is the passive components? Different type of passive components, that is the resistor, inductor, capacitor. What is the resistor, what is the capacitor, what is the inductor, its symbol, unit, types of inductor, capacitor, resistor. Then, how to find out the value of resistor by using color code table by giving the color code of resistor. Then connection of connection of capacitor and resistor. How connect the capacitor in series and parallel? How connect the resistor in series and parallel? What is the application and specification of inductor, resistor and capacitor? Then another point is here, sources, voltage and current sources. The types of voltage sources and current sources. Type of voltage sources are ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. Type of current sources are ideal current source and practical current source. That is its diagram. Then next point, AC signal waveform. That is the signal waveform. What is the AC signal? What is the characteristics of signals? What is the amplitude? What is the frequency? What is the phase? What is the wavelength? How it is represent graphically and how it is represent the mathematically also. Then last point, integrated circuit. In integrated circuit, first what is the discrete circuit? And next, what is the integrated circuit? The main point main topic in integrated circuit is the difference between analog integrated circuit and digital integrated circuit. That is the first, passive components, its introduction. Second point, voltage source and current sources. Third point, AC signal waveform, that is its characteristic. And fourth point, integrated circuit. Then assignment number 1 on the topic number 4, unit number 4, electronic components and signal. Then first question, define active components, give 2 examples. Second, draw the symbol of ideal voltage source and ideal current source. Third, define amplitude and phase of sinusoidal quantity. Fourth question, define passive component and give 2 examples. Fifth question, state the NV4 specification of resistor. Sixth question, calculate the following resistor using color coding. That is, color code is given and find out the value of resistor by using color coding table. Draw the circuit for ideal voltage source and practical voltage source. Differentiate, next question, differentiate active and passive electronics components. Question number 9, classify the resistor, capacitor with their specification. Question number 10, compare or differentiate between analog integrated circuit with digital integrated circuit. It is very important question. Question number 11, draw the time domain and frequency domain representation of sine wave and triangular wave. Then define frequency and wavelength of an sinusoidal waveform. Question number 12, discuss the ideal and practical voltage source. Find the value of, second bit, find the value of resistor from the given color code. Color code is given, find the value of resistor. Question number 13, list the different types of electronics component with example. Which are the electronics component types? Active component and passive component. Which are the example of active components are transistor, diode, integrated circuit, and example of passive components are the resistor, capacitor and inductor. Question number 14, find the resistor value from the given color code. Color code is given, find the value by using color coding table. Question number 15, explain the ideal and practical current source with suitable diagram. Draw the diagram with load or without load. Question number 16, find the value of resistor from the given color code. That is the assignment number 1 on unit number 4 of electronics section. Unit name, electronic components and signal. Thank you. In next lecture, we will start the unit number 1, that is electrical section. Thank you so much.